This is the Tone Fitness Step platform that is so easy and convenient to use when you want to get in a light workout either indoors or outdoors. Simply set it down on the ground and step on it like you would if you were to go up the stairs. I like that this stepper is so lightweight and easy to carry. At the top surface of the step, there is a non-slip surface so you can work out in either sneakers or even bare feet. The stepper is wide enough, measuring almost 27 inches across. You can mix up your workout with regular steps in the center of the stepper or placing your feet along the far left and far right sides of the stepper. You can also go at your own pace. To adjust the height, you can remove the bottom to convert the stepper from 6 inches height to 4 inches in height. And when you're done with your workout, this stepper has a dual purpose as you can also use it as a step stool to reach for items high up on a shelf. The stepper is the blue-gray version, but it also comes in other color varieties.